What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. Now, you may or may not have heard me mention it in the past couple videos that I've made, but I'm actually going to be hosting my very first car meet today. This is a really new experience for me, and I've never really done something like this before, so I'm really excited to see how it's gonna turn out. I actually did a whole little prep video trying to get the car ready for this car meet today, and I said that I was gonna detail it and wax it and whatnot, and I mean, I didn't really get a chance to. I know, I said I was going to, but I didn't really have any time during the week. I got kind of caught up with everything else going on. But the car is pretty much clean. Like, I just recently washed it, so it's not too dirty. And I just give it a quick little wash before starting up the video, so it's not too bad right now. Now, before we can actually go to the first location, I'm actually meeting up with one of my friends. He has a super clean FRS. I'll throw a picture of his car right here on the screen. You guys will see it here in a few minutes, but we're gonna meet up with him first, and then from there, both cruise to the first location. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get the car pulled out onto the driveway. That way we can let it warm up for a few minutes. Yo, look what we got pulling up. Yo. You guys, so we're probably like 5 or so minutes away right now. Me and Alvin just been cruising this entire time. I wouldn't lie to you guys and say that I'm not really nervous. I don't really know how many people are going to show up. Like I said, this is the very first car meet that I've ever hosted, so I'm not really expecting a huge turnout. For all the people who actually do end up showing up, I'm really thankful for you guys, and I hope that this meet can be really enjoyable for all of you. So with that being said, I'll just pick up the camera once we get there. Alright you guys, so it's been a few days since I filmed those last few clips. It's actually Monday today, which if you guys look closely, it's the 27th and it's my birthday today. I just wanted to come on here and quickly thank those of you who came out to the meet. Even if you couldn't come or just watching this video, your support truly does mean so much to me. I 100% want to do this again and hoping that next year could be even crazier. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. That way you can stay up to date on all the content that I make on my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.